Hello guys, my name is Manoj Mishra. So I'm going to tell you about a topic related to macro, how to merge multiple sheets into a single worksheet available in a workbook. All right. Okay. So let's begin. Let's go to Excel sheet. All right. So so as you can see, we have four sheets available here. Sheet 3, it has some data. Sheet 2, it has also some data, and sheet 3, sheet 1, it has also some data available here, right? So what I want to do here, if I want to combine sheet 3, sheet 2 and sheet 1 in sheet A, then I can do it manually or through macro, right? So macro will be a one-time solution. You will be a one-time solution for future. So you can create a macro, and every time you run the macro, it combines the sheets available in a worksheet, right? Okay, so let's start. Press Alt F11, click on Insert Module. So module 6 has been inserted. Start writing the macro sub merge. So let's give it a name, merge. All right. So all this macro is available in the description box. You can go and copy and use it in your Excel sheets. All right. Okay. So let's define variable. Let's give it a name x as integer. So what it is going to do, it will count the total worksheets available in a workbook. So so here we will use for next loop. Okay. For I 1 to worksheets dot count -1. Then go to worksheet I dot select. So why I had written I here? So I will be the first worksheet from the left side, that is sheet 3. So it will begin whenever you execute a macro, it starts from the last sheet available in the left side. All right. Okay. So select range A2 dot select range selection.End dot xlDown dot select range selection.End xlToRight dot select Selection.Copy. Okay. So I will explain to you what each line is doing. So here, so I have selected first sheet, that is sheet 3. So what this line will do, it will go to the range A2, right? You can see here A2. Then it will move to it will extend the selection to Selection.Add xlDown. It means it will select the range from A2 to A4. All right. Now Selection.Add xlToRight, what it will do, it will extend the selection from the left to right, right? So the last column available in the Excel sheet. All right. Then copy, Selection.Copy. So whatever selection I have made, it will copy the data into clipboard, right? So I have copied the data in the clipboard. Now what I need to do, I need to go to sheet A. So I will select worksheets A dot select, right? Then I need to identify the blank row available here. So blank row is A2, right? But if I have copied some data over here, then I cannot every time go and select A2. So I need to identify which one is the blank row available. So then I will go to the last row, or you can say 10 lakh, right? Then I will go up, Selection.End xlUp dot select, then ActiveCell.Offset on 0 dot select. ActiveCell.PasteSpecial. Okay, next. So range A 10 lakh will select the range A 10 lakh. Then it will come to the range Selection.End.xlUp. xlUp will take this cell to range A1. Then it will go down to cell A2 and paste the data and copy it in the clipboard. Then next I will perform the same action from worksheet I.select to active.PasteSpecial again till it reaches to the sheet 1. Alright, let me show you by using step into function. Sorry, it should be worksheets F8, 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 F8. So you can see it has moved to sheet 3 and selected the range A2. Now see, it has selected range A2 to A4. Now see, it has selected range A2 to B4. Now see, it has copied the data. Now see, it has selected the range A 10 lakh in sheet A. Then you can see it will go up. It has gone to A1. Then it will come down one cell. Okay, now it will copy, paste the data over here. Now it will again start performing the same action on sheet 2. See, right? So it will perform the action until it reaches to the sheet 1. See, and once it has reached to sheet 1, it will end the macro. And you can see here it has sheet A has all 7 records available in the sheet 3, sheet 2 and sheet 1. Alright.